A study conducted by McKinsey has estimated that the market for value-added foods will grow from rupees 77,000 crores to rupees 2,25,000 crores in the near future. Popular foods like atta, wheat flour, and biscuits will form almost 80% of the market. The food processing industry has been declared a priority area. The Government of India has sanctioned the setting up of 520 food parks around the country, of which 6 will be located in the state of Karnataka. These food parks are eligible for all the concessions and incentives extended by the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India. One of the 6 locations in Karnataka is Bagalkot. Bagalkot is a large cultivation area irrigated by waters of the Krishna River. This enhances the production of fruits, vegetables, cereals, oilseeds, chili, sugarcane, already plentiful in the area. The project is conceived in response to the Government of India and of the Government of Karnataka to promote and develop exclusive industrial infrastructure to assist and encourage the farmers and other processors of food products in the districts of Bagalkot, Bijapur, Raichur, Koppal, Gadag, Dharwad, and Belgaum. The Government of Karnataka has floated Food Karnataka Limited, FKL, a subsidiary to Karnataka State Industrial Investment Development Corporation, KSIIDC, to oversee and supervise the project. The facility is in collaboration with Green Parks Limited, a company in the group comprising Karnataka Beverages and Distilleries, Mysore Food Products, Harsha Seeds and Agro Products, all recognized pioneers in food processing. The food park has been established initially in an area of 100 acres of land in the KIADB industrial area, situated on the Goa to Hyderabad State Highway. The land allotted to the project will house major, medium, and small industries. The industries proposed are mango pulp plant, pomegranate pulp plant, ready-to-use fruit juice plant, grape resin plant, a winery, agricultural biotech including gene bank for multiplication of fruit and vegetable plants, vermicompost plant, rice and cereals flour mill, nuclear irradiation plant for fruits and vegetables, extraction of oil from natural herbs and medicinal raw materials, organic manure and pesticides. Units engaged in packaging, canning and bottling of processed foods and units manufacturing additives, preservatives, colors and fragrances for the processed food industry will also be located in the park. Products coming into the market will include bread, edible oils, breakfast foods, biscuits, confectionery, including cocoa processing and chocolate, malt extract, protein isolates, high-protein foods, weaning foods, extruded and other ready-to-eat food products, and all other processed foods. Common facilities to support the industrial units will include fresh fruit and vegetable grading and packing facilities, freezing and cold storage facilities for milk and wet products, dry storage, grading and packing facilities for cereals, oilseeds, etc., raw material godowns, warehouses for dry and cold commodities and finished products, service areas for water storage tanks, common effluent treatment plant and solid waste disposal, power supply and distribution control, administrative building with conference and training center, product display and information center with library facilities, post office, bank, and building for professionals and consultants, telephone exchange and communication services, laboratory and testing center, hospital and health clinic, canteen facilities, guest house and dormitory, housing and shopping centres, recreation and indoor sports facilities, weighbridge, commercial vehicle and transport parking facility, and other supplementary services. Close associations will be established with research and testing institutions in the public and private sector like CFTRI, APIDA, the Coffee Board, the Tea Board, the Spices Board, and agricultural universities. The Bagalkot Food Park will be a win-win proposition for the farmer on the one hand and the customer on the other. From farmer to platter, offering value, nutrition, and good health.